What's the meaning of cobber? Cobber. Cobber.
Cobber. Cobber. Cobber is a Scottish word for a traditional pole used in the sport of cobber tossing. It involves a competitor holding the cobber upright by its thick end and lifting it up so that the thin end is pointing directly upwards. The competitor then runs forward to gain momentum before flipping the cobber end over end, with the aim of having it land straight ahead after completing a 180-degree arc. The primary objective of cobber tossing is not distance, but rather accuracy, with judges awarding points based on how closely the cobber lands in line with the competitor's run. Cobber tossing is a popular event at Highland Games gatherings in Scotland and around the world.